Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer where a Wi-Fi network is not showing up on your available network list. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I want to point out, you may have to move closer to the source of the Wi-Fi. So if you're pretty far away from your router, you may want to consider moving a little bit closer or using an Ethernet cable connection as well. So that's a couple of different things you might want to take a look into. And make sure your router is working and properly configured. Besides that, if nothing's changed and you just turn on your computer one day and you're having this problem, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve that. And let's go ahead and start off by opening up the search menu. Type in settings, best match, should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side, you want to select network and internet. And then on the right side, you want to scroll down and select advanced network settings. And then underneath more settings, select network reset. Reset all network adapters to factory settings. So this will remove and reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button. Are you sure you want to reset your network settings? Select Yes. And now go ahead and close out of here and restart your computer. And there you go, guys. Now if you attempt to access your network settings, hopefully it should appear once you load that page. And as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.